Hello, Dream Team! Welcome to another exciting video. Today, we're going to unlock the secret to finding the best deals on airline tickets. We'll explore how to become a savvy bargain hunter, from using flight search engines to setting price alerts, and even considering budget airlines. Remember, the goal is to get the most value for your money, so you can spend more on creating unforgettable memories. Ready to discover some airline secrets? Before we begin, please subscribe and share, so let's dive in. First up, flexibility is key. Picture this: you're dreaming of a getaway to a tropical beach or a bustling city, but the ticket prices seem to be soaring higher than the planes themselves. Here's where a little flexibility can make a big difference. Consider adjusting your travel dates. You might find that flying on a Tuesday or Wednesday, or during off-peak hours, can save you a significant amount of money compared to weekend or peak hour flights. Airlines often lower their prices during these less popular times to fill their seats, so with a little adjustment to your schedule, you could be basking on that beach or exploring that city sooner than you think, and with a few extra dollars in your pocket to boot. And let's not forget, these midweek flights are usually less crowded too, so you can enjoy a more relaxed journey. Remember, flexibility might be the ticket to your next bargain. Scene script. Next, let's talk about the power of the internet. In the digital age, we're fortunate to have an abundance of online tools to help us plan our travels. Among these, flight search engines are your best friend when it comes to scouting for affordable airline tickets. Websites like Skyscanner, Kayak, or Google Flights function as a one-stop shop, pulling in data from various airlines and travel agencies and presenting you with a comprehensive list of options. Now, how do you navigate through these websites for the best deals? It's pretty straightforward. First, type in your departure and destination locations. You might notice that some engines allow you to choose anywhere as your destination. This feature is perfect for those of you who are open to exploring new places and want to see where the cheapest flights can take you. Next, input your travel dates. If you're flexible, select the whole month or cheapest month option. This way, the search engine will display the best prices for each day of the selected month. You'll be surprised how much a difference a day can make in the cost of your ticket. Once you've input your details, hit the search button. The engine will then compare prices across different airlines and routes. You'll see a list of options, often sorted by price. But remember, the cheapest flight isn't always the best. Consider other factors like layover times, total travel time, and airline reputation. Some search engines also offer price prediction tools. These features use historical data to predict whether the flight prices will rise or fall in the next 7 days. Handy, isn't it? Lastly, don't forget to check multiple search engines. While they all pull data from a variety of sources, they may not all have the same deals. A little extra browsing can go a long way. So embrace the digital age and let search engines do the hard work for you. Now, onto a trick that requires minimal effort but can yield great rewards. Picture this: you're eyeing that dream vacation, but the ticket price is just a tad out of reach. Enter the magic of price alerts. These handy notifications are available on most travel websites and apps, and they're your ticket to snagging a bargain. How does it work? It's quite simple. Once you've set your destination and preferred travel dates, enable the price alert feature. This will trigger the system to keep an eye on the prices for you. When the ticket prices drop, you'll receive a notification. It's like having a personal assistant whose sole job is to watch the numbers and alert you when things are looking good on the price front. So don't let that dream vacation slip through your fingers because of a few extra dollars. Set up those price alerts and wait for your moment to strike. Stay alert, and you might just snag that dream vacation at a dream price. Ever heard of the last-minute trick? It might sound a little risky, and it's certainly not for the faint-hearted, but it can actually help you snag some hefty discounts. Picture this: it's a day or two before a flight, and there are still a few empty seats. The airline would rather sell these off at a lower price than let them go empty. That's where the last-minute trick comes in. You see, airlines are in the business of filling seats. An empty seat on a flight is a lost opportunity for them. So as the departure time draws closer, they may be willing to lower their prices just to ensure that no seat goes unfilled. Of course, this approach requires a certain level of spontaneity and flexibility. You might not always get the exact flight you want or the perfect departure time. But if you're open to a bit of adventure and willing to take what's available, it can be a fantastic way to save some money. Keep in mind, this isn't a guaranteed method. It's a bit of a gamble. But when it works out, it can lead to some serious savings. And who knows? It might even add an extra layer of excitement to your travel plans. So, if you're a spontaneous traveler, last-minute booking might just be your golden ticket. Our next trick involves a little bit of tech savvy. Let's talk about browser cookies. These are small pieces of data stored by your web browser that track your online activity. Now, some believe that airlines and travel sites may use this data to offer dynamic pricing. What's that, you ask? Well, it's a technique where prices fluctuate based on your search history and frequency. So, how can you outsmart this system? By clearing your browser cookies before you start hunting for those bargain flights. It's a simple step, but it can make a world of difference. Go to your browser settings, find the option that says Clear Browsing Data or something similar, and make sure to tick the box for cookies. Then, hit Clear Data and voila! You've wiped the slate clean. This trick might just prevent you from being shown inflated prices based on your search habits. So, remember to clear those cookies before your next flight search. Finally, let's explore some additional options for cost saving. One avenue to consider is budget airlines. These airlines operate with cost efficiency in mind, often providing lower-cost alternatives for certain routes. They achieve this by minimizing included services. For instance, meals, checked baggage, and even seat selection may come at an extra cost. This can be a great way to save money, especially for shorter flights or for those who travel light. However, it's important to read the fine print. Sometimes the initial ticket price can be misleading, as additional fees for baggage or seat selection can add up. Always factor in these potential extra costs when comparing prices between budget and mainstream airlines. On another note, it's worth considering bundle deals. These are vacation packages that include both flights and accommodations, and sometimes even car rentals or activity bookings. By bundling these services together, travel providers can often offer a lower total price than if you were to book each component separately. Bundle deals can be particularly valuable for those planning a trip to a popular tourist destination, where many hotels and attractions may partner with airlines to offer these packages. But again, it's crucial to do your homework. Ensure the accommodations and flights included in the package meet your needs and expectations. And remember, flexibility can be key in securing the best deals. In conclusion, while budget airlines and bundle deals may require a bit more research and flexibility on your part, they can offer substantial savings for savvy travelers. Remember to weigh the pros and cons and consider your personal needs and preferences when planning your trip. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy traveler. Well, there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through flexible dates, the magic of search engines, the power of price alerts, the last-minute trick, the secret of clearing browser cookies, and the worth of considering budget airlines and bundle deals. Remember these tips and tricks on your next quest for the best airline deals. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more entertaining and informative content. Safe travels!